Yeah, we need some dollars too, don't we all? Listen, folks, are you carrying your family's financial, this is a serious question, their financial burden? Well, it is time, Kerron says, to break free from the bad habits that are plaguing your finances, or just put yourself in better stead because of what may have happened to you through your family's history. Joining us this morning, set us on the right path, none other than Budget Leap CEO, Kerron Clarke. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to see you this morning. This generational thing is a real thing. And it's very difficult to break that generational, not a curse, but situation, is it not?
It is.
Why did you start this company, lady? Because you were a graphic artist. So how you ended up here?
Yes, I am a graphic artist, but for me, my story began when I finished college and I was working and I realized I was living hand to mouth.
Right.
But not because I wasn't making enough money, but because I had some really bad, financial habits that I developed from my parents.
Okay, so now we're getting to the meat of the matter, you see, the generational part coming in now.
Yes.
Right.
So basically...